everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my aeropress coffee every single day. So since we're all friends here, I'm going to show you my valuable oat milk collection. So I like to use different flavors of oat milk every day just to change it up. So instead of using creamer, I could just use different flavors of oat milks. So now I'm just pouring in about 1.5 tablespoons of this espresso grind coffee, Cafe Bustelo, and on the side in a glass cup I'm going to pour in my milk. So I'm just pouring in a little bit here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of honey and then agitate this oat milk honey mixture with a chopstick. So my friend Samuel suggested that when you put honey in hot water, the mixture becomes kind of sour. So the solution to that is pouring the honey in like a colder liquid. So yes, thank you Samuel for that tip. But yeah, I'm just trying to mix it up as well as I can, and a chopstick is perfect for this, and I use it all the time. So yeah. Now you're going to get some boiled water ready so that you can add it to the aeropress contraption. So now you're going to pour in a little bit of water just to saturate the coffee grinds and leave this in for about 30 seconds. And then after that, I'm going to pour in some more water up to like the 3 tick mark, and I'm going to leave that in for another 30 seconds. So this is just based on like research I've done about aeropress, but I mostly just eyeball this every single morning. I know it's not like technically correct, but it turns out good every single time. And before serving and pressing the coffee into the cup, I'm going to add a lot of crushed ice. I really like it sort of like Vietnamese coffee style, where you have a lot of crushed ice on top. I drink it really fast, so it's all good. After that, you're going to press your aeropress slowly into the milk mixture, and it's going to be really pretty. I think this is my favorite part of making coffee in the morning. I know this isn't the most perfect way to brew a cup of aeropress coffee. I'm not a coffee expert. I just sort of eyeball everything each morning. But if you have any tips for me or for everyone else, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, I would best describe this drink as like a honey latte, and I love it so much. Like, I used to be such a Starbucks fan, but after figuring out how to make coffee like this, like, I'm totally fine without Starbucks now. And what are you gonna do with the extra coffee grinds? Well, you can put them into your plants, your soil, help support the microorganisms in there, improves aeration. Yeah, you can look it up, but it's good for your plants and also good for your hands. You can exfoliate them and they'll smell like coffee. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope these tips helped. I hope you like watching me make coffee. But yeah, thank you so much.